Move on to some updates from the world of business. South Korea's Supreme Court has cleared Samsung chairman Jae Lee of all charges in a high-profile merger fraud case dating back to 2015. The ruling upholds a lower court decision that dismissed allegations of accounting fraud and stock manipulation over an $8 billion merger between Samsung C&T and Chiel Industries. The verdict removes a major legal cloud hanging over the tech giant's leader, allowing Lee to fully focus on Samsung's long-term strategy, especially its push into artificial intelligence chips. Analysts say the decision could strengthen management stability and drive future innovation. Qantas Airways has obtained a court injunction to block the access or publication of customer data stolen in a major cyber attack earlier this month. The breach affected 5.7 million customers, marking Australia's biggest data leak in years. While no credit card, financial or passport details were accessed, Qantas says it has notified all affected customers and is working with federal police and cybersecurity agencies to investigate. However, there is currently no evidence that the stolen data has been released. Asian markets traded sideways as investors awaited key tech earnings and monitored uncertainty around Fed Chair Jerome Powell's future. Chipmaker TSMC is expected to record second quarter profits, though US tariffs and a strong Taiwan dollar may cloud its outlook. Netflix results are also in focus, with analysts warning that the stock must beat and raise after outperforming the S&P 500 by 33 points this year. Meanwhile, Canada's Acquitted has dropped its $47 billion takeover bid for Japan's Seven & I, ending what would have been the largest foreign buyout in Japanese history. Volvo Cars reported a sharp drop in second quarter operating profits, but still managed to beat analyst expectations, sending its shares up nearly 8%. The Swedish automaker, the first European car maker to report this earnings season, cited softening demand and new tariffs as a major headwind. Weak consumer confidence and growing competition from Chinese EV makers are also weighing on performance. However, much of the decline was already priced in by investors, who anticipated a tough quarter given ongoing trade tensions. Swiss engineering giant ABB reported its strongest ever second quarter intake, driven by a 37% surge in demand from the United States and rising orders for data center products powering artificial intelligence. The US, ABB's largest market, saw rapid growth amid recent AI and energy investments pushed by President Trump. Data centers orders rose by double digits, setting a strong outlook for the rest of the year. Despite tariff-related uncertainties, ABB expects continued revenue growth in its third quarter. Shares were up 3.1% in Zurich pre-market trading. Well, that's all we have time